Hi, I'm Mike from Mike's Vet Mods, and I make an HTC engine cover for the C8 Corvette. I start with a genuine GM intake cover that I modify to match your car, and this is the engine cover I make to replace the factory cover that GM sends with the car. Okay, so this is my intake cover from GM that I purchased. I'm going to go ahead and install it on the car. I do modify it a little bit so it fits easier on the convertible because you have a couple of hoses in the way. So you'll need a 10mm socket, and they give you a couple extra 10mm screws that you're going to need to put this on. Okay, there's a couple brackets here that you just need to put back in place. It fits on there perfectly. Some people don't know that you don't get an intake cover when you buy a convertible. Make sure both brackets are on top of the intake. They just kind of guide some of your wires around. Okay, so once that's on, you can start putting your engine cover on. I start with the flat piece first. So this cover is made out of polybutyrate plastic. It's a high temperature plastic. It's got a temperature melting point of 280 degrees up to 380 degrees. And as you can see, it's insulated on the back to prevent any further heat damage. So this piece just goes back on in the front, and all the screw holes are in the exact same spot as your factory cover. So you basically just use the same screws and put this piece on. Okay, so now that the flat piece is on, all the screws are snug, I'm gonna put the top piece on. This piece is also insulated on the back, made of the same high temperature plastic. It fits on just like that. Okay, so here on the sides, sometimes you don't need it, but if you want, you can drill a 7/64 hole right here and put your two screws in. You don't always need it, but if you feel like your cover needs to be pulled down more, that's what I did. It's just a small hole in the plastic, and you put your screw in just like the others. And none of these screws need to be real tight. This isn't going anywhere. Okay, so the engine cover is installed. It didn't take long, about 15 minutes. As you can see, all the screws are in the same place as the factory screws. And right here on the cable, I send you two pieces of Velcro, just the soft side to wrap around it so when the hatch closes, it doesn't scratch the top of the cover. And you can see these on my website. I also have different mods I can match any paint color. And I have a second version coming out that has a whole flat clear bottom, which looks nice. I'll show you guys next time. Thank you.